How to do a hanging indent in Microsoft Word. Hey guys, and welcome back to DelveStack. If you're writing an essay, bibliography, or reference list and need that clean professional formatting, then you're going to need a hanging indent. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a hanging indent in Microsoft Word step by step using the easiest and most reliable method. Make sure you stick around so you don't miss any important tips. So let's jump right in. First of all, you gotta open your Word document. First, open Microsoft Word. Now open the document where you want to apply a hanging indent. Next, highlight the paragraph or reference text where you want the hanging indent applied. This is important because the indent will only apply to the selected text. With the text selected, go to the Home tab at the top and look for the paragraph section. Click the small arrow icon in the bottom right corner and this opens the paragraph settings window. Inside the paragraph window, find the indentation section. Click the drop-down next to Special, select Hanging, adjust the indent value if needed, default is fine, and then click OK. Your text will now be formatted with a hanging indent, as you can see. So there are a few important things that you need to know, that our hanging indent affects all selected lines except the first line. It is commonly required for APA, MLA, and Chicago citation styles. You can remove it anytime by changing Special back to None. Always apply it after finishing your text for best results. Hanging indents are perfect for bibliographies and reference lists, academic essays and research papers, works cited pages, professional reports and documents, and that's it. That's how you create a hanging indent in Microsoft Word. Simple, clean, and exactly what most formatting guidelines require. And if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. And I'll see you in the next video.